Alright, this is the system I'm using to keep track of my boxes and what's in it. This is box number 2. I just took a picture of that. And now I'm going to organize my photographs and put them in here. These are some I've got that I want to store, and there's a lot of photographs I'll put in this box, probably 12 of them. So I'm just going to take a picture of them. Here's the first one. Took a picture of that. I'm going to move to the second one. I'm going to show you just a couple here. Obviously it's just taking a picture of it. There's the second one. And one more. These are large photographs or large paintings or whatever that I want to put into this box. So that's the third one. And now I'm going to go into my photos here on my phone. And here's all 12 of the pictures I took. These are the 12 hanging pictures that I'm putting in this box. And what I'm going to do now is open up Mylio on my phone. And the cool thing is, I've mentioned this before, but Mylio will automatically load these photographs from my photos section of my iPhone into Mylio. You'll see them pop up here in just a second. It only takes a few seconds before it actually loads. And there they are. So now all 12 of them are now part of my phone. And what I'm going to do now is show you how in Mylio I assign these to a specific box. So I'm always able to find out what I've stored in boxes. One of the hardest things I've found in moving is knowing what you put into specific boxes or where to find things. And I think this will work.